What other innovative things is Florida Blue doing in regards to healthcare reform?
You know, we are doing so many things with healthcare reform these days. As you know, this the healthcare bill was passed in 2010, and it seemed like so far away that it would be fully implemented in 2014. We've been busy over the last few years on so many fronts, looking at our products, our services, how it's going to affect individuals and groups. So, you know, quite a few things. One of the things, though, that has the healthcare reform has required, or we saw a need, was in communication. So I believe that some of the more innovative things we're doing outside the product and service category directly is how we're communicating with our members, the public, group administrators, and even our agents. And we have many new communication tools in place. In fact, we have on our website a very extensive list of frequently asked questions that anyone can go to. A lot of it could be geared towards individuals or group businesses, but to get their questions answered on healthcare reform, very specific things that they need to know about. And that list is constantly getting updated and changed as we get more and more information. We've also introduced a number of seminars in the marketplace where we either organize them ourselves or we participate in other conferences, speaking engagements, panel discussions, just like the one we did last week at a company here in Tampa Bay called PSCU, which is a very large group employer that hosted an event where we brought in two large group employers to give their perspectives on healthcare reform and how it affects businesses. We brought the CEO from the USF Physicians Group to give their perspective as a provider, and we brought in John Urbanek from Florida Blue, our spokesperson on healthcare reform, to talk about our perspective. And it was a very lively and interactive discussion, lasted about 2 hours, but it was very practical examples of what we're doing from each different perspective on understanding healthcare reform and its implication for businesses. So those are just a couple examples of what we're doing on the innovative side. We're doing a lot of different product changes, working with our medical professionals, providers, hospitals, doctors, clinics to implement new programs as well that are going to be are needed in the marketplace that we think will help our members and the public at large.